Monday.com, a simple and easy to use project management software. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get started on Monday.com, which is a project management software, and how you can get started on this platform. So first of all, you can see you're going to go on Monday.com, and this is their basic web page. You're going to click on Get Started. And then over here, you are going to enter your details. You're going to create your account, basically. You're going to enter your email and whatnot. Once you have done that, here you can see this is going to be your basic dashboard. So for this tutorial, I already have created an account just to show you guys what it's going to look like once it's up and running and once you're actually working on Monday.com as your project management software. Now, this is your basic workspace. So over here, you can see your main table, your timeline view, and you can add different kinds of views. So you can see I have created this task on the 10th, and then I have unassigned tasks at also the 10th to 12th of August. So on the main table, you can see you can group your items. So I have two groups over here. Let's just say one is a marketing task. You're just going to add your marketing tasks here, and maybe your IT tasks over here. And from this, you can just add them like new code or whatever kind of tasks you want to add. And you can also choose the color scheme you want to work with. So on this, yellow is basically working on it and green is done. Over here, once you actually finish, you can start working on it, or you can just say it's done. Or you can add even the stuck option. So if you're stuck on a task, you can add that. Next up, you can also filter out so what kind of tasks you want to view on your basic board. Below that, you have your notifications on the left side. So you can see all of your notifications, your unread notifications, your mentions, and the tasks assigned to you can also be viewed here. Below that, you have your inbox, so any kind of personal catching up that you do is going to be present in your inbox. After that, you have your applications. So a great part about Monday.com is that you can integrate a lot of applications and you can browse them by category. So CRM is something a lot of people do require for their project management softwares, and it's available on Monday.com. Below that, you have your marketing applications, team management, productivity and efficiency, other kind of integrations, collaborations, analytics, import and exports, integrations by Monday. So you can add whatever kind of application you want according to your needs. So if you're working primarily in marketing, you might want to integrate something that is related to marketing or your analytics. If you're related to IT, you might want to make sure that you have CRM, and you might want to actually custom integrate your own applications that you might want. So Monday does enable that, which is pretty good. Even in the free program, you have that integration option available. Below that, you have your My Week. So over here, you're going to see all the things that you have done this week, or everything that is assigned to you in this week, the prior week, or whatever kind of forward assignments you have coming. So you can view your deadlines and all the general tasks over here. After that, on the left, you're going to see you can invite other members to your team. And you can just search so if you're looking for something very specific on your project management software, you can just search it from here. And over here, you just have your personal account settings. You can import data, add integrations, contact the development side of Monday. You can also explore their marketplace and take a look at what's new. And you can even use Monday.com on your phone, may it be Android or iOS. Taking a look back at the basic dashboard, I'm going to show you guys how to add another board. So as you can see on the top, you have the board title. So let's just say this is the Jane Workspace. And then you can add a description, whatever kind of message you might want to add and give your team. You're just going to add that over here, or some important guidelines. You can add them in the description so everyone gets to view them every time they log on to the workspace. And next, you can add a board. So if you were to add another group, you're just going to click on this. This is going to create a new group with a different color than the previous groups, and you can just add whatever kind of new category you have. So we have marketing, IT, and we can have management, just like that. And then you're going to add management tasks over here. So sales, whatever you might want to add. Also, you can add columns. So if there are many kinds of templates available for columns, so if you want to add like completed or different kinds of columns to dictate what stage your project is on, you can add those. And you can take a look at the other views also available on Monday. So you can take a look at the table view. So it looks pretty similar to the main table, but you can add the calendar view. So that's also going to look different. See over here, you can see the deadlines that the tasks are present on. A task has a deadline, or whatever tasks have a certain deadline, they're going to appear on the calendar. This is good to keep track of your progress and actually monitor your productivity. Now, if you're starting from scratch, you can take a look at the left side. You have this add button. You're going to click on that and you're going to add a new board. So you can customize it however you want. So let's just say this is a task board and it is private. You're going to create the board, and over here you will get your own personalized custom board where you can only view tasks that are assigned to you or just your own personal workspace. After that, you can even choose from the templates what kind of board you want. So let's take a look at the different kinds of templates that are available on Monday.com. And you can see on the left, it actually does say browse by category. So it's going to give you customized templates that are very functional and provide great utility in accordance to their category. So if you're dealing specifically with manufacturing, you might want to choose one of these templates. If you're dealing with real estate, you might want to choose these templates. So let's just say we are doing project management. So it depends. So you can see this is a work calendar template, a single project, a advanced single project, a advanced project management template, and a project requests and approval. So let's just take a look at the single project. You're just going to use that, and this is going to integrate your first dashboard and create this template for you, and you're just going to fill in the specific details of your tasks. And now you can see this is a single project template that has been created for you. You can see it's going to tell you what to fill in where. So you're just going to fill in tasks. This is tasks week 1, week 2. And you can also view the activity status using this template. It just provides you all of this with the basic template. So next up, you have your Gantt view, which provides you with an excellent opportunity to view your general productivity and get an overall estimate of where your project is leading to, how much work is done and left, and on what rate it is actually being accomplished. So you can see over here, task week 2, you can see the productivity bar. You can also see when they are completed. So if they're completed in March, April, May. So you cannot see your sub items within your tasks on the Gantt view board, but you can get a general estimate of your tasks. You can also view the tasks by person. So if you are looking at the productivity of a single member on the team, you can view them by person. Right now, I haven't added anyone to this team, so I'm just the only person on this team. I hope you guys got a good estimate of how Monday.com works and how to use it and get it up and running. You can see using their templates, you can get started right now on Monday.com. It's very easy to use and it's pretty efficient. But where does Monday.com actually lack that I wouldn't recommend it? Well, Monday.com used to be pretty free. The basic plan used to be free. However, now the basic plan is $8 a month, and if you are billed annually, you're gonna be billed $24 a month. And the individual plan is pretty useless because it only allows for up to 2 seats. So only 2 people can basically be on a team on the individual program. However, if you're looking to do your own personal project management, if you're someone that's very busy and you just want to do your own project management, you can do it using the individual program. Then Monday.com is a great option for you. It's going to allow you unlimited boards, documents, and it's going to provide you with over 200 templates. You can get 20 column types, and you can add 2 members to your team. Also, you can use them on Android and iOS. The basic plan, however, provides you with 5 gigabytes of file storage. You get prioritized customer support, and you can create a dashboard based on one board. Next up, you have their standard plan, which is $10 a month, and you're going to be billed $30 annually if you choose the annual payment. So that does discount it quite a lot. And you get a lot more in this because you get a lot of automations, you get integrations, you get a dashboard that combines up to 5 boards. So if you're working on 5 completely different projects, you can get a dashboard that's going to combine them all together in one summarized fashion. After that, you have your Pro and Enterprise program. Enterprise is obviously you're going to have to contact them at Monday.com to get a actual estimate of how much it's going to cost you according to your needs. But the Pro program is also $16 a month, and you get chart views, time tracking, formula columns, dependency columns. You get automations, integrations, and you can combine up to 10 boards on a single dashboard. So overall, I think Monday.com is very good. It is a very nice software, especially if you're working alone or you have a very small team of 1 or 2 people, then I think it's pretty efficient to use Monday.com. But I think Clickup might be a better option if you're working on a larger team and you have more number of teammates, you have a lot of people working on a single thing, then I think you should go for Clickup. But if you're working alone or if you're working in a team of 3, Monday.com is a great option for you. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.